National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, western Tallahatchie Bay, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles northwest of Blackwater Bay Bridge to near Gulf Shores Beach, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Fort Walton Beach, Pensacola Beach, Fort Pickens, Okaloosa Pier, Pensacola Bay, West Tallahatchie Bay, East Santa Rosa Sound, West Santa Rosa Sound, Mid-Bay Bridge and Arnica Bay. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama, northwestern Florida, and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay Area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, western Tallahatchie Bay, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles. This is a special weather station.